Initially, I found directing quite daunting, but I'd never had that much experience working on a crew of like 15 plus people. Working with actors, being able to kind of communicate exactly what you want is actually quite difficult, and was a really useful skill that I managed to learn on and work on. In third year, we all get the opportunity to write our own script. About 8 to 10 get selected. And then we go into production, getting actors, building the sets with a set design course, the props, and sourcing all of the locations that we need. We then go and film. For our graduation film, we're creating a horror comedy, and that's set in 1999, and it's called The Y2K Bug. It's all about an alien crash landing and 4 friends having to survive the night. So we're currently in post-production, we've finished filming and we're currently in editing. In June, once all of the films are submitted, all of the third year films get put in Cineworld, and then everyone's invited to come and watch, all the family, friends, and then people from other courses and in the industry as well, which should be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Just had a great time, it's really fun, and I've really enjoyed it, and I feel like being based in Cardiff, where there's so much filmmaking around, I'm kind of going into the industry now, not only equipped with the skills that I gained at university, but also the real world experience I've been able to gain whilst I've been at university.